Hi everyone, I just want to show you some things for SeeSaw for this next week's assignments. So this is one of the things that you'll have assignments for. If you go to the right and you click here, it'll switch pages. So you can see all the different pages that I'm asking you to do. These are all pages that are also in your packet as well. So don't think that it's 2 times the amount of work yet. Couple different ways that you can post your work. If your student does their work on the page in the packet, just click over here, click to take a picture, and take a picture of your paper. Please zoom it out so that it's a bit bigger. Make sure that the picture is clear so I can see all the words, like I can read tall, jaw, soft, saw. If it is not going well, and you can't read it or it's too fuzzy, just click the backspace and it'll delete that right away. Some other things you can do, you can add it right in on this sheet that I have right here. So there's this zoom button. You click here and you zoom in, and then you can scroll with your mouse up and down. That way you can see the words a bit clearer. You would add text box, type the word tall. I'm going to exit out of the text box so that I can make it smaller. I can change the size, put it in its spot, and call it good. And when finished, you can zoom back out. Remember, you have other pages you can go to. For this, if I just finished this page, but none of the others, or I have other work I want to do, there's this button called Draft. Please just click the draft button and it will save it, and you can go right back into assignments again, click it, start assignment, and it should pop up this right away with all the work that you've done. When you are completely finished, you click the check mark as always and turn it on in. Let me know if you have any questions.